When we say, smart luggage, your mind immediately jumps to suitcases with portable batteries, right? While those used to be the smartest pieces of luggage in the game, the industry has grown, and travel bags are more advanced than ever. These days, luggage can be adorned with all manner of tech-related gizmos and gadgets, from built-in scales that weigh your suitcase for you to motors and sensors that allow your suitcase to autonomously follow you wherever you go. Number 5. Coolife. 3-piece luggage set 20-inch, 24-inch, 28-inch upright, can be stored one into another. 0.100% ABS. Lightweight yet extremely durable ABS material. Spinner wheels, multi-directional smooth and silent 360 degrees wheels. Upgrade with TSA accepted lock for security and peace of mind. Sturdy ergonomic aluminum telescoping handle, interior mesh zip pocket and elasticated, squared full capacity design. 2 years warranty. Please note that only family set has 4 PCs. Please ignore the product's title and select the set you want. Number 4. Luggage. Corner protection. 4 aluminum corner protectors provide further protection against damage, enhance the no-zipper luggage's durability and maintain a shiny appearance on every trip. High-end materials. This carry-on luggage with spinner wheels is made of lightweight polycarbonate uniting the resilient aluminum frame with no-zipper design, providing long-lasting and comfortable usage. Smooth rolling. The aluminum frame luggage contains 8 smooth rolling silent wheels feature a directional control system. Feel the perfect maneuverability from Luggage during the trip. Dual TSA locks. The latches are TSA-approved locks, made of ABS with powerful wear-resistant and stronger toughness. Carry-on suitcase can be opened with a single press. Quality service. Luggage zipperless luggage claimed a free 3-year warranty. If there is any issue, please feel free to let us know. The customer service team will respond within 12h. Number 3. Genius. Laundry compression technology enabled. Compress laundry contents through integrated air valve engineered organizational panel with category labeled compartments. Permanently embedded checklist ensures you never forget essentials. 360-degree durable frame injected spinner wheels expands an additional 2 inches for 20% more internal capacity. Meet the carry-on designed for extreme organization and convenience. Includes Genius Pack's patented laundry compression technology, 360-degree frame injected spinner wheels, internal category compartments to name a few. The engineers behind this product made sure every step of the journey becomes hassle-free. 360-degree frame injected spinner wheels for a smooth roll. Number 2. Level 9 front zipper pocket with an integrated padded sleeve for 15.6-inch laptop, user-friendly and convenient for ease accessing electronics. TSA-approved lock for both front and main compartments. 3-dial integrated combination lock ensures security and meets most domestic and international airlines regulations. LIGHTWEITHT hardshell made of 100% PC, which is a material performed resilient to cracking or breaking, and hardcase design provides durable protection. Superior maneuverability. Multi-directional spinner wheels and 100% aluminum telescoping ergonomic handle for effortless rolling. Large and practical packing. Fully lined interior offers 2 large packing compartments with a crossed fixing band. A zippered mesh divider can effectively keep your items well organized. Overall dimension. 21.2 by 14.2 by 10.2 inch, 54 by 36 by 26 centimeters, including wheels and handles. Lightweight. 8.9 pounds. Packing capacity. 35L for weekend getaways or 1 to 3 days business trips. Number 1. Samsonite. Packing dimensions. 27.75 x 19.6 inches by 12.4, overall dimensions, 30.4 x 20.9 inches by 12.4, weight, 10.8 pounds. 10-year limited warranty. Samsonite products are rigorously tested to ensure our products meet stringent standards. This bag comes with a 10-year warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. Scratch-resistant polycarb twill texture, keeping cases beautiful trip after trip. 4. Multi-directional oversized spinner wheels for effortless mobility. Re-engineered lightweight full-zip interior divider and cross straps for increased packing organization. Side-mounted TSA locks act to deter theft, ensuring that only you or a TSA agent have easy access to your belongings when traveling.